What's up, guys? It's Dylan coming at you another video, and today we're going to be making rhubarb muffins.
Let's go.
This is going to make a dozen, so we're going to go through the items that we have here that we're going to need. We're going to need flour, we're going to need regular white sugar, we're going to need brown sugar.
We're going to need vegetable oil, we need vinegar, ground cinnamon, baking powder,
some salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, eggs, milk, and of course, rhubarb. Step numero uno. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. There we go. Step number 2.
In a medium bowl, stir together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt.
Medium bowl. So now we have a medium bowl, and so let's get started. So we got our flour. We'll start with that. A half cup and a single cup. We'll use 2 of these and one of these. 1, 2. Now the half cup. Now we need baking soda. We need 1 teaspoon. There you go. In the bowl. Now we're gonna get the baking powder. We need 1 teaspoon of that. In the bowl. So now we got our half teaspoon, and let's just start it out. Remember, never pour your salt over the bowl just in case you got like a heavy hand, and then you go and you just start salting everything. Oh God. That's the exact
exactly
reason
what we said.
Why you don't do that. All right, that is in a separate bowl. We're gonna set this one aside. All right, what's first, Ben?
Brown sugar, 1/4 cup.
All right. Now we have a 1/4 cup. Yep.
Double check.
And we're gonna open on up our bag of brown sugar.
It's 1 1/4 cups. Sorry about that.
Oh.
Yeah. So
we're gonna start with the 1/4 cup, and then we'll go on to the 1 cup. All right, we got our 1/4 cup of brown sugar in the bowl. All right, we're gonna do a little lesson about how to brown sugar. So what you do is you put your thing in there, and then you pack all your brown sugar down real hard with the outside of the bag so you don't get your hands messy. So you pack it all down, and then there you go. It's right on in there, and then you go in the bowl!
1/2 cup of vegetable oil.
So you're supposed to use a liquid measuring cup. That's what they taught me in FACS class, but screw that. We're going to use this cup that we are using. So, yeah. So we're going to pour it right on in. And it's filled up to the top. We're going to go put it in the bowl!
Next we have 1 egg.
We're going to take our singular egg. We're going to throw it. No cracks! Good job. In the bowl!
Next we need vanilla. 1 tablespoon.
A tablespoon?
Teaspoon.
We're gonna put in the 1 teaspoon. Fill it up to the top. In the bowl!
Buttermilk.
Alright, we're gonna set this aside for just a minute while we make the buttermilk. Alright, tutorial, how to make buttermilk. Alright, we're gonna grab our 1 cup. Then we're gonna grab our 1 tablespoon. We're gonna grab our vinegar. And we're gonna grab our milk. So, we're gonna measure 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And we're gonna put it right in this tablespoon here. Put it in. Smells amazing as always. We're gonna pour it in the cup. Yes, I know it only covers the bottom. But you'll figure it out later. Since we only need 1 cup, we got our vinegar in there, and we're gonna grab our milk, and we're gonna finish off the cup. So we're just gonna pour it in till it's tall. We got our buttermilk. And the thing about buttermilk, if you're gonna make it, it needs to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna postpone our filming for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Shout out to Gretchen. Alright, so our buttermilk's done. That's what it should look like, I guess. Now we're going to pour it in. In the bowl! What's next?
Beat until smooth with an electric mixer.
Lesson for you kids out there. Remember, always keep your thing unplugged when you're pushing in the blender things, because else your fingers will get all chopped up.
Yeah, that one.
What's next?
Next, we need to stir in rhubarb and walnuts. We're not going to do walnuts, so we have to dice the rhubarb. Cup and a half. Ooh, fancy.
Alright, so we need to fill it up to the 1.5 cup line. So that's what we'll do.
A few moments later.
Alright, so now we got 1.5 cups of this.
Pour in the dry ingredients and mix by hand until blended.
Alright, so we got the dry ingredients. Ben, you want to do it?
Sure.
Make sure everything gets incorporated. That's what it looks like. Very nice. Looks good, Ben. What's next?
Stir in the rhubarb and walnuts if you have walnuts.
Looks good. Next,
Spoon the batter into the prepared cups, filling almost to the top.
Alright, so right now we are going to spray the pan with
Spray stuff.
with this Pam stuff. Alright, we're gonna spray it right on over the sink. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna get it in. We're gonna grab it a little bit, a little hunk. And we're just gonna put it in. That's not enough. Yeah. So we're gonna start with that and then see where it goes. If we have any extras, we'll fill them up higher. So we're gonna put this in the oven. Alright, so we forgot to film us making this little mixture to put on top of the muffins. But it's pretty much a tablespoon of butter.
1/3 cup of sugar.
And we put a tablespoon of cinnamon, and it made this little, not drizzle, but like...
We put this butter in the microwave, just heated it up till it was really soft. Poured it in, mixed it up, sprinkled some on top. It said about a teaspoon. We just
each muffin.
Yes.
So our first tray of muffins is done, so we're going to take them right on out of the
pressure cooker.
And there they are. So we're going to let them cool for 10 minutes before we take them out.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we didn't get them all out, but we'll get that one out later when it's done cooling a little bit more so it doesn't come out in crumbles. But now it's time for the taste test. So these are our muffins, and
I think they turned out really good.
yeah, I think they did too. Let's taste them.
It's pretty good.
You can really taste the rhubarb. On a scale from 1 to Gordon Ramsay.
A 9. Bye.
Thanks guys for watching.
We'll see you guys in the next video. You also should subscribe. Probably like
don't forget to leave a like either.
Likes are nice too. If you like the video.
And subscribe to Ben right, bam, there. And subscribe to me right, bam, there.
We'll see you guys in the next video.